So you dig? I'd like to take a moment to introduce the band. On there on bass we have Moniz. On guitar we have Gabe Hart. On drums we have Nathan Argus. My name is Carly Hurd. I just want to wish you sincerely from my heart, you guys have a great Christmas, great Thanksgiving, the entire holiday season. You know, whatever holiday you celebrate. If you just lay down in tracks